San Antonio, I want to take you guys on a tour on this black on black house behind me. We're located over here off of 90 and 211. This home is for $290,000. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath. So let's go outside and take a look, guys. Let's go show you guys a tour. So this home does come with a 2-car garage. As you can see, the builder is Centex. They're a great builder. This builder is also giving up to 6% in closing costs for all buyers. So you don't even have to worry about closing costs when you purchase this home. So as soon as you walk in, there's like a little loft area. I guess you could put like a nice bench here with, you know, a hanging coat rack or something like that. But this is kind of your entrance right here. And then you have your long hallway, which leads into the main area. So right here, you have yourself a little hanging closet, coat closet, if you will. And then you have yourself a long hallway right here, which leads into the entertainment area. So as you can see, there's a lot of room here. The only thing I will say is it feels kind of dim in here. The lighting is not that bright, and probably because of the dark floors as well. I feel like I need to turn on another light or put another window here or something. So even though it feels open, the brightness as far as the lighting goes is not that great. Then as you're coming this way, you have actually 2 islands. So you can put some bar stools right up here, and this bar stool and seating area kind of fits into here. You can maybe put your dining table maybe somewhere right here. And then of course you have your TV right here. So if you like, you know, having dinner and watching TV at the same time, you may want to have your dining room table right here. So you can see your TV right here. You see your people come in, you want to get something to eat, you come around this way. And so this is kind of the kitchen area right here. So this is your kitchen area. You have your sink right here, which is facing the living area. So, you know, if you wanted to wash your hands, and again, if you like watching TV and talking to people and while you're washing dishes, you got that. Right here is going to be your stove. It's an electric stove. So same thing, if you're cooking, you want to talk to your guests, you can do that. It does have Dallas white countertops. So one of the unique things about this home is most kitchens have more like a U-shaped bar. And so you kind of feel tucked in. This one has like an offset or on the side, you know, kitchen island. So makes it feel a little bit more luxury. It gives you a little bit more room to kind of hang out. You can put some seats here, some seats here. Whereas the other ones where it's just a U, you can't really do that. Right here's where your fridge goes. Right here's your back door window. And this is where you kind of go outside, and I'll take you guys to show you the backyard here in a sec. Right here is going to be your pantry room area. So pretty good sized pantry for all you cookers out there who need a big pantry for all your stuff. That pantry is pretty big, and it sits off right here to the left of the kitchen. And so right here is going to be your primary bedroom, not master, your primary bedroom. And as you can see, it's pretty big. You could for sure fit a king size in here. You have a plug here and a plug here for both of your nightstands. You got your double view windows for natural daylight. And then you have your closet right here and your restroom right here. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So right here is going to be your master or your primary bathroom. As you can see, it only has 1 vanity. So, you know, for couples, it doesn't have the double vanity like some houses do, but it does have a nice good sized vanity. You have your stand-up shower right here. And again, the only thing that's kind of weird in here is there's really only 1 light. So if you're taking a shower, you might be taking a shower in the dark. So I would say that's probably one negative about this, but nonetheless, I mean, it's a good sized bathroom. This is gonna be your master closet. So in my opinion, it's a little small, especially for my wife. This probably would be enough just for her. So for ladies that have a lot of clothes, this master closet or primary closet may be a little tight for you. But it's still, you know, it's your own house. You have your own place. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys into the left side of the home, which is going to be where the other bedrooms are at. So right here, you have a long hallway that you can see. Sorry, lights were off, guys. But you have a long hallway right here. And so just to kind of give you guys an idea, you have 1 bedroom here. You have 1 bedroom right here. You have your laundry room here, which leads into the garage. So if you came in through the garage, you would basically walk by 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and then you got the 3rd bedroom right here, which I'm about to show y'all. So right here is going to be your 3rd bedroom, if you will. This is the bedroom that's going to be closest to the guest bathroom. And so it does have a double door closet. And As you can see, pretty standard size closet, you know, for a regular bedroom. And like I said, this bedroom sits right off the restroom. So this is gonna be the closest bedroom to the restroom. And as you can see, the vanity in this one is basically the same size as the vanity in the primary bathroom. And so as you can see, it doesn't have the stand-up shower, but it does have a tub. So, you know, nonetheless, you get 2 baths with this house. This is gonna be your second guest bedroom, if you will. And so, you know, pretty standard size, you know, 10 by 10 room, comes with 1 window, 4 plugs on each wall, and then you got your standard closet. And then this is gonna be your third guest bedroom. So same thing, this one's a little bit bigger than the one in the middle, but it's still, you know, your average size, maybe 10 by 11 room. You got your 4 outlets on each plug, 1 window. So, you know, you're not enclosed in, you have some windows and stuff like that. It's actually pretty big. You even have enough room if you wanted to. You could put, you know, some sort of shelving right here or something like that to add to the space that you have up here. This is gonna be your garage. Majority of the time, the garage comes unfinished the way you see it here. You're gonna have a brand new water heater. This is looks like an electric water heater, so this is definitely an electric community. Again, 2-car garage. So you can park 2 cars in here. Most people don't use their garage for parking. They'll use it for hangout, storage space, things like that. So you do have another area up here. You're probably gonna need to get a ladder, but you can go up there. That's probably more storage space up there as well. So the very last thing I haven't showed you guys yet is the backyard. So we're gonna go ahead and go look at it. It's a pretty standard sized backyard. Most of these new homes now are 50 feet wide by 100 feet deep. So it's gonna leave your backyard about 25, maybe, you know, 30 feet from the back of the porch. So it's a pretty good sized backyard, as you can see. In this particular home, it does come downhill a little bit, but once they sod it and at the grass and things like that, you won't even really get to feel it. And so you have a little side gate right here as well. So brand new fence. So you see how it is. So there you have it, guys. Again, this home is for $285,000. The builder is giving up to 6% in closing costs, which equals about $17,000 your way, right? You can use it for buying down the rate. You can use it for title insurance. You can use it for some of your closing costs, whatever you want. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, single story. And the interest rate on this, if you qualify, is a 4.25% interest rate. You can't beat it, guys. So if you're in the market or you're unsure whether or not to get started, just comment or message me the word plan, or heck, just message me. I'll tell you everything that's kind of going on with this community, everything that's going on in the market as well. And so it doesn't hurt for a 5 to 10 minute phone call to kind of see where you're at, get to know you. And that's what I'm here for, is to kind of help you guys with some options. So see you guys next time.